magic trick. Tutorial. I'm going to reveal a tutorial when we hit probably 30 likes. I don't really have likes because I'm a newbie. Bye. Bye. I hope you learn it. Also, this is not black. I just got, it's a hole. I just got removed my tooth because it was so gross. See you soon. Bye.